Hi, this is Heather Wagner from Punk Rope, and Tim is talking to you. We're going to show you the broad jump with a rope, but we're going to start without the rope. Heather's just going to show you some basic broad jumps, which are great for explosive strength. So it's a two-footed hop and a two-footed landing with soft knees, keeping her kneecap aligned with the middle of the foot. And then by adding the rope, you layer on a coordination component. So it's essentially the same move, but now you also have to consider the timing of the turn and the jump. Going uphill is a lot tougher. So nice variation from your traditional broad jump plyo. We like it. Thanks for joining us. We'll see you next time.